When we talk about being fit, we usually refer to physical fitness. We want to be strong and healthy in our bodies, and that's very important. But did you know that we also have a brain fitness? Just like our body gets weaker if we don't exercise it, our brain also weakens if we don't keep it active and engaged. We need to keep our brains sharp and agile for optimal cognitive function and mental clarity. In today's episode, we will discuss practical strategies that can enhance your mental performance so that you can feel more focused, productive, and mentally agile. So what do we mean by mental performance? This simply refers to how well our brain functions and performs various tasks. This includes things such as attention, memory, processing speed, problem-solving, decision-making, creativity, and mental agility. These are all crucial for our daily lives, and maintaining good mental performance is essential. As we age, our mental performance may decline, just like our physical abilities do. However, unlike our physical abilities, which are often associated with muscle loss and reduced strength, our mental performance decline is less obvious. It's not something you can see or measure easily. That's why many people don't realize how important it is to maintain their mental fitness until it's too late. You might find yourself forgetting appointments, misplacing items more frequently, struggling to concentrate, or feeling mentally drained. These are all signs that your mental performance may be declining. However, there's no need to worry, because there are proven methods to improve brain function and boost your mental performance. One of the most effective ways to enhance mental performance is through neurostimulating activities. Just as physical exercise strengthens our muscles and improves our physical health, engaging in mentally challenging activities can help strengthen our cognitive abilities. Activities like puzzles, brain training games, and strategic board games can stimulate our brain and enhance our cognitive function. By regularly engaging in these activities, we challenge our brains to think critically and solve problems, which helps maintain and even improve our cognitive abilities. Another powerful approach to boosting mental performance is through mindful meditation. Meditation has been practiced for centuries to calm the mind and reduce stress. It's not just about sitting in silence. It's a structured practice that helps you focus on the present moment. When you meditate, you train your brain to eliminate distractions and concentrate on your breath, a mantra or a peaceful image. Over time, this practice enhances your attention span, making it easier to stay focused on tasks and resist distractions in a world full of multitasking and digital stimulation. Mindful meditation is an oasis for your brain. It's a chance to unwind, recharge, and return to the world feeling refreshed and mentally alert. Interpersonal communication skills play a vital role in our personal and professional lives. The ability to communicate effectively with others, build relationships, and navigate social situations is a fundamental aspect of human interaction. Strong interpersonal skills are essential in various contexts, including personal relationships, workplace collaborations, and community involvement. They enable us to express our thoughts and emotions, understand different perspectives, build rapport, and resolve conflicts peacefully. Interpersonal skills are not innate. They are learned and developed through practice, self-awareness, and a willingness to grow. By investing in developing these skills, individuals can enhance their personal fulfillment, professional success, and overall quality of life. Next is fostering a growth mindset. A growth mindset is a belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed over time through dedication and hard work. Embracing a growth mindset is a transformative approach to learning and self-improvement. By adopting this mindset, we can unlock our potential and achieve greater success in various aspects of our lives. A key aspect of fostering a growth mindset is embracing challenges. Instead of shying away from difficulties, we should view them as opportunities to learn and grow. By confronting challenges head-on, we expand our comfort zones and develop resilience. This process helps us build confidence in our ability to overcome future obstacles and fosters a sense of personal empowerment. Furthermore, embracing a growth mindset involves persistence in the face of setbacks. We must understand that failure is a natural part of the journey towards success. Instead of giving up when faced with adversity, we should persevere, learn from our mistakes, and adapt our strategies accordingly. This tenacity is crucial for achieving long-term goals and realizing our full potential. Additionally, seeking feedback and learning from others is an essential component of cultivating a growth mindset. By actively soliciting feedback and being open to criticism, we gain valuable insights into our strengths and weaknesses. Observing and learning from the experiences and expertise of others can also provide us with new perspectives and approaches to enhance our skills and knowledge. Finally, celebrating both small and big wins is an important aspect of maintaining motivation and reinforcing a growth mindset. Recognizing and appreciating our achievements, no matter how small, helps us build momentum and stay committed to our goals. Celebrating success reinforces the belief that hard work and dedication can lead to desired outcomes, further fueling our desire to learn and grow. By incorporating these strategies into our daily lives, we can foster a growth mindset that will serve us well in our personal and professional endeavors. Remember, embracing challenges, persisting through setbacks, seeking feedback, and celebrating wins are key components of this transformative mindset. So let us embrace challenges, learn from setbacks, seek feedback, celebrate wins, and together we will unlock our true potential and achieve extraordinary results. Next is prioritizing sleep. Sleep is not just about resting our bodies. It's a time when our brains consolidate memories, process emotions, and prepare for the day ahead. When we prioritize sleep, we give our brains the time it needs to recharge. This allows us to wake up feeling refreshed, mentally alert, and ready to tackle the day's challenges. A well-rested brain is more focused, productive, and better equipped to handle stress. It's essential to establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down. Prioritizing sleep is an investment in our mental health and overall well-being, and it's a crucial step towards optimizing our mental performance. Next is staying socially connected. Social connections are vital for our mental well-being and cognitive function. Nurturing relationships with friends, family, and community members provides us with emotional support, a sense of belonging, and opportunities for mental stimulation. Engaging in social activities and maintaining a strong social network can help reduce feelings of loneliness, decrease stress levels, and provide a sense of purpose. By prioritizing social connections, we create a support system that can help us navigate challenges, process emotions, and maintain a positive outlook. Strong social connections also offer cognitive benefits, keeping our minds sharp and agile. Engaging in conversations, sharing experiences, and learning from others can stimulate our brains and help maintain cognitive flexibility and mental acuity. By staying socially connected, we not only enhance our mental performance, but also enrich our lives with meaningful relationships and a sense of community. Lastly, engaging in regular physical exercise is another powerful way to boost mental performance. Exercise has a profound impact on our brain function and overall cognitive ability. When we engage in physical activity, we increase blood flow to the brain, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen that enhance cognitive function and improve mental clarity. Exercise also stimulates the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and endorphins, which play a crucial role in mood regulation and motivation. By incorporating regular exercise into our routines, we can improve our attention span, memory, and problem-solving abilities. Moreover, exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week to reap the full benefits for your brain. In conclusion, maintaining good mental performance is essential for a fulfilling life. Our mental abilities are like muscles that need regular exercise and stimulation to stay strong and agile. By incorporating brain fitness exercises, practicing mindfulness, valuing interpersonal skills, having a growth mindset, prioritizing sleep, staying socially connected, and engaging in regular physical exercise, we can keep our brains in top condition. Remember, investing in our brain fitness today will pay dividends in the years to come. It's never too early or too late to start. Every small step we take counts. Make a conscious effort to incorporate these strategies into your daily life and watch as your mental abilities flourish. Embrace challenges, Learn from setbacks, stay connected, and keep your mind active. You have the power to shape your brain's destiny and unlock your full cognitive potential. Are you ready to embark on this incredible journey of brain fitness? Start today and witness the remarkable transformations that await you. Thank you and see you in the next video.